I'm Dr. Anthony Elia, your trusted chiropractor right here in Brunswick East, Victoria. I've dedicated my career to providing specialised health and fitness care to individuals of all ages. Whether you're an athlete or someone who wants to improve their quality of life, I'm here to help. Today we're going to explore a question that many people have. How do I know if I need a chiropractic adjustment? It's an important question, and the answer could make a significant difference in your well-being. So if you're feeling a bit off lately and wondering if a chiropractic adjustment might be the right answer, well, you're not alone. Many people experience symptoms that can be alleviated with the right treatment. Back pain. If you're constantly shifting in your seat or can't find a comfortable position in your sleep, your body is sending you a signal that it might be time for an adjustment. Neck stiffness. Ever found yourself doing that awkward neck roll? It's your body's way of telling you that something is not quite right. Headaches. Ever found yourself reaching for headache relief more often than you'd like? It's worth considering that the issue could be spinal. Joint pain. Shoulders aching, knees giving you trouble? This could be signs that your joints are crying out for some chiropractic attention. Muscle tension. If you feel like your muscles are habitually knotted, it's not just stress, it could be a structural issue. Keep in mind, these symptoms are just the tip of the iceberg. The human body is very complex and the symptoms can manifest in various ways. Now, it's tempting to jump on the internet and start diagnosing yourself. But let's be clear, there's no substitute for professional advice. If you experience any of these symptoms that we've discussed today, or have any other health concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. The next step is a thorough evaluation from a chiropractor. So if you find yourself in the Brunswick East area or nearby, we'd like to welcome you to the Fit Chiro family. Please click on the link below to book your consultation today.